The Almajiri, an Islamic scholarship migrant culture, is an increasingly pressing concern in northern Nigeria. There are an estimated 9 to 10 million Almajiris in the north of Nigeria at any given time. This figure significantly contributes to the number of out-of-school children in Nigeria. Though the practice involves sending children to other states and nations for Islamic studies, most of the children do not receive a formal education but end up on the streets. These children are sent out by their parents from the tender age of 6, same age level for enrollment into the Nigerian Universal Basic Education UBE program. However, many of them end up not getting any formal education. The children are sent out to beg for alms.
Okay. All right. So now where do you go? All right. Can I wait?
Almajiri children live in some of the shabbiest conditions imaginable. There are next to no jobs or other opportunities for Almajiri adults in the increasingly challenging and competitive north. This makes Almajiri the prime targets for radicalization. Addressing the Almajiri situation is an essential element in addressing insecurity and social-religious crisis in Nigeria. It is also a human rights issue affecting the rights of the child, which covers the right to an identity, health, right education, right to a family life, right to be protected from violence, right to an opinion, and right to be protected from exploitation. The Almajiri system is a clear violation of all of these.
I was an Almajiri because I went through that tedious life. I call it a very tedious one. And because the way we like food, we eat whatever possible we get, and not necessarily healthy and hygienic. We just eat what we get. So you see, that is not an ideal life. And that is why we are advocating against it. Because it is un-Islamic to put children into that situation.
I'd like to come to the issue of the Almajiri as a father and as a person, both of whose parents are alive. None of us who's got children would wish to see our children in the condition in which the Almajiri find themselves. They're not looked after. They're exposed to hazards that no child should be exposed to. They are undocumented. Many of them die without being acknowledged.
Borno State, northeast Nigeria, is the epicenter of the Boko Haram crisis. Borno State has over 1 million Almajiris. Many of Borno's Almajiris are from neighboring countries, Mali and Niger, thus presenting a regional crisis.
Every day they are subjected to abuse. Substance abuse is their lot. And quite apart from that, many of them get trafficked for all manner of different things, some of them for ritual purposes.
Most especially, there are ways to teach the Quran other than the Almajiri system.
It's undignifying, it's subhuman, it is inhuman. And nobody should be subjected to that kind of life.
The Almajiri system has outlived its usefulness. Reforms of the Almajiri schools have not had a meaningful impact on the culture.
None of them really ever gets to get the Islamia education that is promised, on the basis of which are supposedly involved with the Ma'alams who take them. So on the whole, it's a very destructive path for any child to get caught up in.
This is a system entwined in native culture. We propose a comprehensive project to explore its cultural ties and harness thoughts and positions from leading figures as part of an advocacy initiative that can help bring an end to the prevalent abuse of children through prevalent Almajiri setups, either by committed regulation or outright suspension of the system.
We must stop it. Totally. Because if we suspend it, it will come back sometime. But we must bring an end to it.
I think that the situation with the Almajiri is intolerable. We can end it, and we have a duty to end it in my own lifetime.
There is an urgency of the Almajiri stigma that Nigeria must not miss. We must end this societal failure in our lifetime. It is time to end the Almajiri child abandonment system.